Hi, this is Jimmy from Warmup, and today is Tech Tuesday, where I give you 1 minute of my time to talk about one topic, which will be wiring our Terra Thermostat. Now, wiring the Terra Thermostat is super simple. Each thermostat has a 15 amp maximum, so whatever load or floor heating cable you are bringing to that thermostat, please make sure that it is under 15 amps. Now, that heating element that will be going to the thermostat is going to be hooked up on the load side. The Terra Thermostat is a dual voltage thermostat, so it can do either 120 volts or 240 volts. The hot from your heating element will go to the black cable on the thermostat, and your second hot or neutral will go to the red cable on the thermostat. Now, every floor heating thermostat has a dedicated circuit to your breaker panel. That breaker, whether it be 120 volts or 240 volts, we always recommend to be 20 amps. The hot from your breaker will go down to the line side of the thermostat, and that will connect to the black. Now your second hot for 240 volts or neutral for 120 volts will go to the red. This green terminal here is designated for your floor sensor probe. That sensor probe should have two cables, either a black or a white. It does not matter which one goes in what terminal because there is no polarity, but please look at your installation manual to see which option is going to work best for you in terms of setting up your floor sensor. If you have any more questions or you want to watch more of our videos, please feel free to go to our YouTube page. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next Tuesday.